You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce name this word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. It's pronounced in English as kaleidoscope. I know the spelling makes it very, very confusing. It's pronounced collide, makes sense, and then oscope. Kaleidoscope. Easy once you know English pronunciation, how to pronounce kaleidoscope, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.